Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix door handle on 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Start by gathering a Phillips screwdriver, trim tool, replacement handle, and safety glasses, then disconnect the battery to avoid electrical issues. Remove the door panel carefully, noting clip locations and fastener sizes. Keep screws organized and take a quick photo of the linkage before removal to speed reassembly and avoid mistakes. In this video, I will show how to fix door handle on 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Use a trim tool to gently remove covers and pry panels to protect clips and paint. Remove all Phillips screws, including those behind the armrest and small caps, and keep them labeled. Lift the panel upward and away from the door, disconnect any electrical connectors, and set the panel on a soft surface to prevent scuffs. In this video, I will show how to fix door handle on 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Quick recommendation: if you like reading repair guides anywhere, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes manuals easy to read and carry in the glove box, perfect for roadside reference. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fix door handle on 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Unclip the plastic rod connectors and carefully remove the old handle screws, keeping track of any spacers. Transfer the linkage to the new handle, hand tighten screws, and operate the latch to ensure smooth motion. Once satisfied, torque screws snugly, reconnect any electrical plugs, and prepare to reattach the door panel while confirming lock and handle function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.